This motorized Yaesu ATAS-120A antenna provides seamless automatic tuning across high frequency, very high frequency, and ultra high frequency amateur bands, making band changes from the driver's seat effortless for mobile operators. Its integration with compatible Yaesu transceivers means the radio can directly control antenna length, so tuning is usually quick, precise, and requires no manual adjustment or external tuner. Covering roughly 40 meter through 70 centimeter operation, it offers impressive frequency agility for a single compact mobile antenna, ideal for operators who want one solution instead of multiple band-specific whips. The two-piece design with a powered loading section and stainless steel whip feels solid and durable, standing up well to highway wind, weather, and daily mobile use when properly mounted. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with mobile amateur setups, and the standard connector style works with many commonly available mounts and coaxial cable options. For Yaesu mobile users who stay within the supported radio list, this antenna delivers a very convenient, all-in-one solution for voice, digital, and portable operating on the road.